Hello from Cboe Global Markets. I am Kevin Davitt, and this is Vol 411 for Tuesday, January 21st. There's a slight risk-off trade as we return from the MLK holiday. Asian equity markets, particularly in Hong Kong, came under more significant pressure overnight as news of a coronavirus outbreak in the Far East spread. S&P 500 futures are lower by about 6 handles as I stand here. The Jan VIX futures contract, which will expire tomorrow morning, is trading around 1260. The Feb VIX futures are chopping around the 1490 level, with March trading 1540. For reference, the VIX index is about 1260 currently. Friday's VIX close of 1210 was the lowest since late November of last year. Prior to November, you'd have to go back to late July of 2019 for a VIX index close at or below that 12 level. Now, the vol markets are keenly aware of the upcoming Democratic caucuses in Iowa, which are 2 weeks away. The New Hampshire primary is a week after Iowa, and March 3rd is Super Tuesday for the Democrats. In VIX index option trading, there is the typical squaring of positions ahead of tomorrow's expiration. The 12.5 straddle that will expire at 8:30 Chicago time tomorrow is trading around 55 cents. The February 21 strike calls have traded actively today around 50 cents, nearly 17,000 times. Open interest on that strike was nearly 100,000 coming into today's session. This week is relatively light with respect to economic data, but earnings announcements will be active throughout the week. And then finally, next week, the Fed is expected to keep rates unchanged, but FOMC meetings can move the market broadly. That's Vol 411 ahead of Jan VIX futures expiration. Thanks for tuning in.